Hi friends, this is Barb with the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are making easy ham Alfredo. So today is the last day. I have to do something with that ham in the refrigerator from Easter. So it's either throw it away or make something out of it. So that's what we're doing, easy ham Alfredo. So get your water boiling after you've salted it. Then we are going with some bow tie pasta. And we're going to just cook those noodles, bring them to a boil till they're done, and then drain them. Okay, now it's time to strain those noodles. Okay, friends, I don't think it gets any easier than this. Okay, so what we're going to do, 1 pound, that's 6 ounces of Alfredo. We definitely want to get all of that out. One cup of frozen mixed vegetables. 1 cup. 1 cup of ham, diced, chopped, however that goes, diced or chopped. And then go ahead and pour your Alfredo sauce in there. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And that's it right there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bring this to a bubble, okay? Like when it starts to bubble. Okay, that is bubbling. Let's get those noodles in there and just give it a stir. This does not take long. It takes very few ingredients. All ingredients are very affordable. So if you're on a budget, this is an awesome meal to make. And depending on the size of your family, this really makes quite a bit. So you may have leftovers if there's only like 2 or 3 of you. But that looks really good. It's nice and creamy. Okay, I have my stove shut off. This is very hot. I mean, it looks really good. I cooked a similar recipe to this. I'll try to post it. In the video, okay? This is really steaming. I really love the Alfredo taste with the Parmesan cheese, which reminds me, top it with some Parmesan cheese, and it'll just melt right on there, and it'll taste even extra special. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But friends, always keep cooking, and I love you all.